Attorney Dannielle Simms. Adoption cases are oftentimes some of the most rewarding types of family law cases. However, there may be some difficulties. What is one of the roadblocks that you commonly see in adoption cases?
The biggest roadblock that I see in actually finalizing or getting a adoption case even started is locating of the parents. A lot of times what will happen is I have people come into my office and they say this child has lived with me for X amount of years and I just want to go ahead and adopt them. And right, you're taking the legal way of just doing what you've been doing for maybe years, months, whatever. But if you can't find either one of those parents, we have to get those parents served. In the law, we are notices required. Any kind of lawsuit that you've got to have a right to be served. You got to have a right to know what's going on. You've got to have a right to respond. Adoptions are no different. I don't care how long the parents have been gone. Now, granted, there's different ways of getting folks served and different ways of getting people located, but one of the bigger issues is when I come in and I see that I've got a party that's saying, well, I can't find the dad, or the dad has never been involved, because that's usually what it is. Not that men are not involved, but in these particular scenarios, it is, hey, this dad is not involved, or DNA hasn't been established, or things of that nature. It doesn't mean that we don't need to locate the father. It doesn't mean that we don't need to make efforts. It doesn't mean that they're not entitled to service. So guys, you have to know where these parents are, or at least know someone who can help you find them, or at least tell me where they used to be.